Let's discuss a topic that is called as topological sorting or topological ordering. So what is topological sorting? Basically this topological sorting is applied in a directed acyclic graph or DAG. So a directed graph with no cycle. DAG is nothing but a directed graph with no cycle. So here I am giving two example. See this example. This first, which is a DAG. See here it is a directed graph. Here also it is a directed graph. But see it is a cycle. Here it is maintain a cycle. That means it is not a directed acyclic graph or DAG. But here see we cannot maintain. Here we cannot maintain any cycle. So that it is a DAG or directed acyclic graph. Then in the topological sorting, it gives a linear ordering of vertices such that if UP belongs to E, then U is appear somewhere before V. So what is the statement means? So the statement is describe that for every directed edge UV, suppose a U is there, a vertex, another V is there, a vertex. So every directed edge from U to V, from vertex U to V, suppose this is, then U comes before V in the ordering. After performing the ordering, topological ordering or topological sorting, then the ordering always U comes before V. Okay, or U is followed by V. Similarly, suppose I am rating, suppose this is a vertex are there 2, another vertex is there 3, okay, another vertex is there 4. Suppose this is like 2 is this edge is 2 to 4, another is 3 to 4. So that means 4 is dependent upon this 2 and 3. A dependence is holds good. So in the ordering, in the topological sorting or topological ordering, the 2, 3 is always comes before 4. It maintain the ordering. The 2, 3 is always come before 4. Okay. So that so this is the statement means that if a linear ordering of vertices such that UV belongs to E, then U appears somewhere before V. So this topological sorting or ordering is an application of the TFS. Then for every DAG or directed acyclic graph, we will have at least one topological ordering. That means it also having one or more than topological ordering, but at least one topological ordering. The simple step or simple algorithm you can also say the topological sort VE. So first step is call the TFS. First we perform the depth first search with vertex and edges and compute the finishing time. You already know how to calculate the starting time and finishing time. To array you have to take in the composite array, that is a distance discovery array and the finishing array. So here first you calculate what is the finishing time, then FB, that is FB for all U belongs to VG. Okay. Then output vertices in order of the decreasing order of the finishing time. Then the output of the vertices, the topological order or the topological sorting is order of decreasing of the finishing time. We only arrange these vertices in the decreasing order of their finishing time. That is give the topological ordering or topological sorting. So here total time complexity is B plus C for topological sorting. Let's see an example. Okay, let's see the graph. First we have to check this is a DAG or not. DAG, this is a DAG or not, directed acyclic graph or not. See, there is no cycle is present. Okay, this is your directed graph. Then first we perform what? The DFS traversal. Then how to perform the DFS traversal? Okay, I am showing you a shortcut method here. Suppose I am starting with the C. Okay, so here you remember always starting the vertex with a in degree equal to 0. As you know what is the in degree? In degree is a vertex that having number of edges going into it. See here, number of edges going into it is the in degree and number of edges coming out is the out degree. So see here, no in degree is there, no edges is coming into the node, but out degree what? 2 are there. For A, what is the in degree? 1 in degree, out degree is 2. So it is better to take which vertex having in degree is 0. So for C, it is in degree equal to 0. So I am taking the starting vertex as C. Okay, for topological sorting. So C from starting vertex, suppose this is a stack. So C is adjacent is A, D, anyone you have to choose. So suppose I am choosing A, then new vertex will be, so new vertex will be explore. That means C is entered into the stack. So what time C will be explore? At time 1 unit of time. Then what time? Next time unit 2 will be explore or not. Then next from A to B and D. Suppose I am taking the B will be explore using A. So A will be entered into the stack. And what is the B timing? Exploring timing is 3. Next from B is explore E. So B from E. So B is entered into the what? Stack. So what is the E timing? Explore at 4 time of unit. E will be explore. Next from E, see E, no new node is or no new vertex is explore. That means no need to enter into the stack. Okay, then what happened? We have to pop out the stack value. This is the top element from B. See B is already visited, so no new vertex is there. Next pop out the A. So from A, see B will be visited but D is not visited. That means we explore D and again A will be enter into the stack. So what time D will be performed? After E is complete and B is complete. Here E is complete, no new edges is there. That means E finishing time is equal to 5. Then B is also pop out, no new edges is there. So D finishing time is equal to 6. So what time D will be explore? At time what? 7. Okay. Next check from D, B and E already explored. That means D we cannot find any new edges or new vertices. So D no need to enter into the stack. And also the finishing time what? At 8 unit it finish. Next A will be pop out and no new edges will be explored. So what is the finishing time of the A? Now it is 9. Next what? C will be pop out and check what are the new vertexes there. No new vertex. What is the finishing time of the C is 10. So this thing you already discussed in the detailed explanation of this and DFS. Okay, this is the sorts. Then after that we have to find what? The entering time or discovery time and the finishing time of this all the vertex. Then what happened? Then algorithm said that we have to arrange this vertex according to the decreasing order of their finishing time. That means first we have to write what? C, then what? A, 10, 9, 8. This is the finishing time. 10, 9, 8, then 6, then 5. Okay, so I'm arranging this in order to decreasing order of the finishing time. C, then A, then what? D, then B, then E. Then join the edges according to this. See, C is A, C is A and C to D. Then C to A and C to your D. Then what is A to D and A to B and A to D. So A to D and A to your B. Then again D to B and D to E. D to B and D to E also. Next is B to E. Okay, so this is your topological sorting sequence. And see, whatever U to B edges is there, so U is always comes before the B. That means C is always come before the D. In this way, if you check the dependency of this graph, this will be satisfied in this topological ordering or topological sorting. Okay, see the next part from for another example.